starting a brand new e-bike business in 2025 while I'm still in high school, and here are the reasons that I think you should go check it out. First up, check out this aluminum frame right here. Does this thing not look like a Cybertruck to you? Well, it does to me. We got these aluminum side panels right here that look really cool. And I also got wood on the inside. Now, the wood is a really weird thing. You know, if I were to ever sell this e-bike, I wouldn't really make it out of wood, even if it's just on the inside, just because, you know, wood can rot and all that. But really, I would love some feedback on what is a good idea to make this kind of core. Come look at the core of this e-bike. It's really got this like painted 2x4s on the inside, and then we have these aluminum panels on the side. This is 1/4 inch 6061 aluminum, and then it's through bolted on these sides, right? And so if I were going to revise this wood centered frame with anything else, I would love to know. Leave a comment down below what you guys think I should put in the middle, whether it's just some bars going through or what. Second thing, there are no pedals on this e-bike, so it's technically a full-on dirt bike. We have this 1600 watt 33 amp motor right here, and right here we have a VESC speed control unit. So these things are commonly used on electric skateboards and really anything that requires an electric motor. I've got a little Bluetooth module here so you can see the speed you're going and the amperage all on your phone. And on the back here, we have some pegs. In the place of pedals, you can use these pegs to put your feet and pop a wheelie, right? So, moving up front here, we have a fully twist grip throttle, because that's the only way that this thing moves. And I forgot what I was gonna say. The point of these videos is to, like, you know, keep it like casual. So we're not trying to make something super produced. I'm just here to show you why you should check out my e-bike that I made myself. So come on, look at this really cool thing here. A lot of people who ride bikes will hate me for doing this, but if you can see right here, the way I've attached the fork, we have three stacked 2x4s right here. And while going through that, I've drilled a hole using a hole saw. It's a very big hole. It's about that big enough so I can fit the steerer tube on the fork up through here. And then what I've done is I've set a Cane Creek bearing right there. And what's crazy about that is, as a lot of you might know, most bikes use an actual fitted tube that they weld to the rest of the bike frame, put through there. Well, I got these two little plates, bolted them through. There, you can see there's one on the bottom, and I used through bolts, and then I just put it through the wood, and using these little metal plates to hold the bearings. And as you can see, it steers really, really well. This thing is really agile, and when you get on it, has a lot of, you know, bounce to it. Feels really good. The suspension, fully air suspension, and we have these little disc brakes on the front. I'm eventually gonna have disc brakes on the back, but for now we only have brakes on the front, right? And what's cool about this bike is, so there aren't any gears to direct drive, and that means that we only have one little chain right here. So this chain kind of runs inside. Here, come look at the little chain run that's inside of this one panel right here. We have these spacers on the side that raise it away from the actual body of the bike. And all this mess of wires here, well, that's gonna go away in future prototypes. But so far, I would really appreciate any insights. There are people who build electric bikes out there who would wanna see this thing come to life or interested in possibly buying this thing. I would love to hear it. I would love to get in contact with you, and yeah, just share your ideas, and share whether or not you would like to see this on the market in 2025, because I'm working on getting it there. So go check out the website, and thanks for watching.